Okay. Hello all. In this presentation, I'm going to explain about the sustainable development. Last one is what is sustainability. So here, the sustainable development and also goals, sustainable goals throughout the many problems which we are facing in our country or in a different place. Like sustainable goals should be adopted to solve each and every the problem, kind of a solution. So, what is a sustainable development? Like environmental governance, like it is the sustainability as to consider here managing all human activities, political, social, economic, everything, not only for environment. This is overall, including our social and economic concerns. And this concept of sustainability refers on a sustainable development, which can be explained in a different ways. And this development, sustainable development, is that meets the needs of each and everyone and the present generation without compromising with our future. And also, this may be the advantage for having more quality outputs of goods or services or the behavior. And sustainable development, it is an approach to the economic development of a country, like without compromising with the quality of our environment for a future generation. And also the price of environmental damage, whatever we are doing, is paid in the form of land degradation or soil erosion or air and water pollution, deforestation. Like these all the damage may the surpass the advantages of having more quality output of goods and services. Next one is achieving the sustainable development. Like it can be achieved by restricting the human activities. Human activities means whichever like it is harmful to environment. Maybe for example the construction of road. Definitely the green belt we are going to lose in that. Water pollution, again a human activity. All the industries, like we have studied about industrialization, right guys, in the last module. So industrialization, again whatever the debris, whatever it is coming out of the industries, again we are leaving to the water. That is also one of the human activity which we are spoiling. Again with the industrialization, water and also air pollution, both are happening. Technological development should be input effective and not input utilizing. That means like whatever the input the technology is taking from the environment, like output should be utilized to each and everyone and especially to the environment. And also the rate of consumption should be surpass the rate of salvation. And for renewable sources, the rate of consumption should not surpass the rate of production of renewable substitutes. All types of pollution should be minimized. It can be achieved by sensible use of natural resources. Like whatever we are taking, whatever we are consuming, that should not be like we should not lose our natural resources. The everything should be renewable. We need to renew everything again. So that should be the goal for each and every one. And also that should be achieving the good development in our sustainability. And also technology we are all using fine, but many things demerits is there in the technology. Like whatever we are all utilizing nicely with the technology development, but many things in the environment we are facing with the demerits in the environment. I think the example, like one simple example which everyone knows, like because of the signals, the birds are depleting day by day. Example, the sparrows, crows, etc. So these are the one example. Many examples are there, just I've given an example of achieving a good sustainable development. And also features of sustainable development. In this feature, like sustained raise in the real per capita income, that is, there should be sustained raise in the real capita income, and also economic welfare we will get with a long term, and rational use of natural resources. Like sustainable development simply means that the natural resources should be rationally used in a manner such that they are not like over exploited, and preserving the natural resources for our future generation. Exactly, this is one of the major goal of sustainable development, and also aim towards like making use of natural resources and environment by existing with the standard living in such a way not to reduce ability of the future generation to meet their own needs. That is the one of the major goal. And coming to the sustainable development goals, we have seen what is sustainable development, but there is a few goals towards this success. Like that is very important, right? Because yes, sustainable development we know, fine, but what are the goal towards which area? That is important. We need to keep some goals towards the development in each and every sector. Each and every sector we have to concentrate. So in this regard we have different goals. That is, you can see there are collection of 17 interlinked global goals, which is designed to be a blueprint to achieve a better and more sustainable for a future of all. So this is like it is for us and it is for a future in a different sectors. In that 17, the first one is no poverty, aim to reduce the poverty. Regarding poverty reduction, I think we have studied in our fifth module how to eradicate that. And zero hunger, the second goal is on the zero hunger. Each and everyone should get a good amount of food which individual should get in their daily. And also the third is good health and well-being. It is concerned with many different things. Like good health and well-being is important for each and every activity in our life, because health is wealth. I think that is the first priority we have to give. If we have health, we can achieve everything, we can do anything. Next, quality education. This should be provided to each and everything, especially in the rural areas, in the remote areas which they can't access with the good education system. And also next is gender equality. So the female male, the both should get equal responsibilities. They should maintain the equal responsibility in their day-to-day life, and they have to overcome all the problems which they are facing. That should be a equality in everyone. There should not be any discrimination. Like they have to keep up with the same goals and the same work. That is one of the goal, and that is one of the aim to reduce the inequality. Next one is clean water and sanitation, that is sixth one. Everyone should get a clean water, and the sanitization is very important. The clean water on the earth is very less. I think we have a 2% of clean water throughout the globe. 75% of seawater we have, 25% of land we have, but we have only fresh water of clean water of only 2%. Next one is affordable and clean energy. The energy whatever we are getting, naturally, that's fine, or it should be affordable to each and everyone. Next one is decent work and economic growth. Everyone should be educated and they have to work, and also they have to increase a good economic growth in the better way. Next one is industry innovation and infrastructure. They have to innovate many things in the industries which should not affect again to the environment. Reduces the inequalities. We need to reduce the inequalities. We should not discriminate anything with everything. Sustainable cities and communities. The sustainable all the facilities of cities and their communities should be adopted. And also responsible consumption and production. We have to be responsible towards our health and also the production. Climatic action. The climatic action, definitely it is depend on the environment what we are dealing with. And also life below the water. So everything is interconnected, and also if industrialization it's going with a good manner, the life below water, the aquatic life, definitely that will be in a good manner. Definitely we'll be dealing with the good water, and also it is helpful for our aquatic life. Life on land. So we are all be capable to overcome all the environmental problems, and protecting the life on land will be good and sustainable. Peace, justice and strong institutions. So again it is concerned with our social sustainable. So the peace very important, and also justice, and there should not be inequalities and no discrimination, so we can build a strong institutions, communities within us. And the 17th goal is to partnerships for the goals. So the partnership for the goals, if everything is neat and clean with a good education or without any discrimination, we can deal with the partnership for our future goals, present and also for the future goals. Thank you.